Hi guys, I'm Imkaman and today I will review the Zeo Megazord, Power Rangers Zeo. Yay! Okay, this is a new figure from Hasbro and it just landed in Malaysia. I bought this from a seller named Justin Han for 240 ringgit or USD $58 in USD. Okay. Okay, there's a couple of other sellers that you can find on Facebook like Gila Poster Concept Shop and Afiq di Taufik. So this is the box art where we can see the Megazord, and at the back of this box there some action and some information about the Zord. This one is distributed by Hasbro Toy Malaysia Sendirian Berhad, and this is the 5 swappable helmet that we will get inside of this box. Okay, this is some action, and this is the Power Rangers Zeo logo. Okay, let's unbox this Zeo Megazord. Okay, the box was really big. Yeah. Okay. Piece of paper. Then. Yeah. Okay. This is the Megazord. We got extra white helmet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this is not the helmet. This is where we put the kerbau head in here. Kerbau kalau tak tahu. Okay. Oh, to use the knife. Before we see the articulation of this Megazord, this is the helmet and the detail of the helmet. This is Zeo 1 Beta helmet, cannon mode. Okay. It has a large cannon on its head which fire a powerful blast of energy. Okay. See the details of this helmet. And then this is the Zeo Beta helmet 2 rocket mode. You can see this helmet has a pair of sights here. Remove like this. Okay. This is the Zeo 3 Beta helmet pyramid mode. This helmet gives the Megazord telekinesis. Okay. Fourth one was the Zeo 4 Beta helmet gravity mode. It possesses a pair long horn that we use to battle the enemy into submission. Okay. This is the detail of this helmet. You can see the Taurus head behind the helmet. Okay, this is the real Taurus head, and then this is the helmet like this. Okay, lastly this is the Zeo 5 Battle helmet warrior mode. Let's see the detail of this helmet. And this is the sword. So it was really big. There's some extra part. This is the wing that we will use, and we attach the back of the Megazord. Okay, just like that. And this is the detail of the wings. So let's try some of the helmet into this Megazord. Okay. I use the warrior helmet. Okay. The material of all of this helmet was, I think this is plastic. It's soft, like a vinyl, soft vinyl. So every helmet can change and put it into this Megazord. Okay, let's see the detail of this Megazord. This is the head and the yeah. I forgot to put the power's head. Just okay, slide it here like that. Okay, that's the details for the Zeo Megazord. So let's try to put all of the helmet into the Megazord. Okay, this is the first one, and then the second one. Third one. Okay. Fourth one. And the warrior. This is my favorite. Okay. Okay, so this is the articulation of this Megazord. Let's see. Turn the head like that. Only like that. Okay. We have a joint here. And here. Oh, this is double joint. Okay. This one is just like vinyl. Vinyl or plastic. Soft. This is for to put the sword like that. Okay, and then okay, yeah. And for the knee, like this. Just like this. Okay. So let's combine with the extra wings. Then let's see the size comparison between this Megazord and normal Lightning Collection. This is that. And this is Tommy. And lastly, this is Edie. Okay. The Zord is I think 12 inch. This is 12 inch. And if you ask my opinion, if you like Zeo Megazord or Power Rangers Zeo, you should buy this figure or this Megazord because it was affordable, cheap, and it was good. Okay, okay. That's all for this review. Thanks for watching. Bye.